Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome everyone in today's class for the first elementary grade. Our textbook is Weekend 1 and today inshallah we will cover Unit 3, Feelings and Things Evaluation. It will be presented by me, teacher Mazin Harbi, and the sign language by Mr. Fawaz Al-Agil. So let's begin. In our evaluation, we're going to cover the Unit 3, Feelings and Things. And the first lesson we did cover with this unit was talk time, that can be seen on pages 18 and 19. And our goal was to build up questions and answers about feelings. So we start this lesson when a father asks his daughter an important question about feeling. Let's listen and remind ourselves with this question and this conversation, and then we can continue.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am. I have a new laptop. Look.
Very well. So here we have with this conversation when the father asks his daughter, "Are you happy?" Usually when we want to ask someone about his or her feeling, we start with the question with "Are you?" And we can think of any feeling we like. Are you happy? Are you sad? Are you hungry? Or are you thirsty? So we can think of any feeling when we use are you. So we keep the same question, are you? And then we can choose any type of these feelings. So here in this conversation, a father, when he asks his daughter, "Are you happy?" she said, "Yes, I am happy." Usually you say to someone you are happy and you say why you are happy. So she says, "Yes, I am happy. I have a new laptop. I have a new laptop. This is why I am happy." And the second conversation we did cover was about when someone says, "I'm not happy," then we'll have another question to ask. Now let's listen to this conversation and then we will know what the question we should ask when someone says he is not happy.
What's the matter?
I am thirsty and my friend is hungry.
Very well. So when someone says that he is not happy, we have another question to ask, which is, what's the matter? What's the matter? Which means, what's the problem? Why you are not happy? Then the person, as in this case, can say the problem. For example, she said, "I am thirsty and my friend is hungry." I am thirsty. I need something to drink and my friend is hungry. She needs something to eat. So here we have learned two important questions. The first one, are you happy? And the second one is, what's the matter? When we ask the first question, are you happy? When we don't listen to the answer of yes, then we'll ask, what's the matter? And if a person says, "Yes, I am happy," the person would say, why? Yes, I am happy, I passed the exam. Yes, I am happy, I bought a new toy. And after this, we said that it is important that you can practice these talks in pairs. So maybe you can practice it with your classmates or a family member or a friend of yours. And you can ask him or her this question, "Are you happy?" If they say yes, then they should say why they are happy. Maybe because they bought a new toy or they passed the exam. And if they say no, then you can ask the other question, which is, what's the matter? Or what's the problem? Why you are not happy? And we said that not only this, we also practice these different feelings. So we said that here we have different feelings, and what we need to do, we're going to match each of these feelings to the right picture. So the first one, scared. Scared, we said it is number 6, scared. As with the number 2, which is sad, we said sad is number 5. And as of thirsty, it is number 3, thirsty. And the next one, hungry, which is number 2. As with the word happy, it is number 1. And the last word, which is angry, it is number 4. So we said that all of these feelings, we can use them when we ask question. Like, instead of saying, are you happy, we can say, are you scared? Are you sad? Are you thirsty? Are you angry? So we can use different feelings when we asked the question. And you can, we said what we also did, that we did listen to these feelings again, and we point and ask about each of these pictures. After this, we had the rhythms and sounds on pages 20 and 21. We said that we need to chant, and our goal was to chant and ask, are you, or are he, are you, or he, she, we, or they, and we got the answer. So in this chant, we did practice different pronouns. So let's listen one more time to this chant, and after this, we can practice and highlight the important words again. So this chant was called, Are You Hungry? Let's listen. Are you hungry? Are you thirsty? Are you happy? Are you sad? What's the matter? What's the matter? They are all hungry. They are all sad. Who is angry? Who is scared? She is angry and she is scared. Who is sleepy? Who is bored? He is sleepy and he's bored. What's the matter? What's the matter? We are all happy. We are all well. So here in this chant, we did listen to questions about different feelings. And these questions starts with who is. Starts with who is. And we usually use who is when we want to ask about a person. For example, who is happy? Ahmed is happy. Who is sad? Abdullah is sad. So we use who to know people or to ask about different people. And after this, we said you can't change the words, you can't change the feelings. Instead of saying who is happy, you can ask who is sad. Instead of saying who is hungry, you can ask who is thirsty. And after this, we did listen to a Kinan chant, and after we listened, after we read, we circled the word that we did listen to. So now let's listen to it one more time and try to remind ourselves of the words that we did circle. This is Kinan. He is 10. He is a very happy boy. So here in this listening or in this reading, we have or we need to choose between the words we have here as options. So when we listen, did we hear the word 10 or 9? We did listen to, we listened that Kinan is 10. So what we did last time is that we circle the word 10. And after this, about feeling. Did we listen that Kenan is happy, very happy, or very hungry? We listened that Kenan is very happy. So here we circle the word happy. Now, this will leave us with the other part of Kenan's friend. Let's listen. This is his parrot. His name is Tim. Tim is big and fat. So here when we listen, we said, or we listened that the parrot, his name is Tim, and he is big. He is big. Now this will leave us with the last part. He is blue and orange, and he is hungry all the time. Kenan and Tim are good friends. So here we have two words, angry and hungry. So when we listen, what exactly did we listen to? Is it hungry or angry? We listen to the word hungry. So here we go, and we match the word hungry. And after this, we had the questions about the reading we listened to. And the first question was, how old is Kenan? And we say the answer, he is 10. And as for the second one, is Kenan happy or sad? And the answer was, he is happy. Not only happy, he is very happy according to the reading we have read. And number 3, what color is Tim? We said Tim the parrot is 2 colors, blue and orange. And number 4, is Tim thirsty? The answer is, he is hungry. And after this, we had the other lesson, which is words on pages 22 and 23. And our goal was to talk and ask about clothes using these or those. So we started by listening to 2 sentences using these trousers and this skirt. And we said that the difference between them can be seen here in this exercise. So here, if we have 2 things that is close to us, we would say these, as these are skirts. And we have something that is not close but far, we would say those are trousers. And the same goes here. We have 2 t-shirts that is close to us, we would say these are t-shirts and those are glasses. And those are caps and these are shoes. So this is the difference between these and those. If we have something close to us, we would say these. And if it's not close, very far, we would say those. And after this, we did listen to conversation when the girl asked her friend if she has new shoes. And she said, no, my shoes are red. So what is important here when we listen to this girl, when she asks about or when she uses these, she means the close to her. And when she talks about the shoes that are far from her, she used those. And we said that it is important that you can practice them in pairs. Also, with the grammar toolbox, we learned what do you mean by the preposition on when we have something on top of something, and also the preposition in when we have something inside, as we have here, the ring is in the box. And we listened to Kenan's diary, And in this diary, we said that when we listen to it or when we read it, we can also answer the questions. And the questions like, is Kenan happy? And where are Kenan and Pete? And where are the computer games? We said that it will help us to learn and use the preposition in and on that we did listen to and read in this text. The last thing we had, which is phonics, on pages 24 and 25, we said that our goal to practice words with all of these group of letters. And we had these letters like that we learned the differences between B and P, V and F, and also sha and cha, and also the and tha, and we practice different words with them. The same goes here when we say or when we listen to words with one letter and ends with a vowel. Usually it has a longer vowel than the rest. And the same goes with O and U as well. And after this, we did listen to different words, and we said that we need to put the check mark if the word is long or short. For example, if it has long or short vowel. The first word is ship. Do you think ship has a short or long vowel? We agreed that ship is an example of a short vowel. And the other word, sheep, is it long or short? Sheep is also long. So these are the examples on when you listen to word, we know the difference between the long and the short vowel. And after this, we listen to the sound of each of these words and we put a check mark on the letters that each of these words starts with. For example, the first one is a ball that starts with B. The second one is a puppet that starts with P. And the same goes here. This is vase that starts with V. And this is face that starts with letter F. And also with ship and cheese. And also with the, as in this or that. And also with number 3. The last sound or the blue one. And the last thing we did in this unit is we did listen to different words. Now let's try to listen to these words, circle them, and after this I would like you to match them with the pictures you have. So the first word we have here is cap. Cap. So cap is the second one. And the next one is vase. Vase, which is also the second one. The number 3 is rice. Rice. Rice is the first one. And number 4 is pen. Pen, which is the first one as well. And after this, we number 5, the word is tube. Tube. And then the other word is cut. Cut. And the last word was rose. Rose. So here you go. These are the words that we did listen last time to, and we did match them each one to the right picture. So this is the end of our evaluation. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.